Hello, my name is Sophie and I'm from Poland. Today I would like to talk with you about magnetism. I hope you will enjoy. Hello, my name is Sophie and I'm from Poland. I'm a teacher at Daegu National Science Museum. I would like to invite you to my online lectures. Today I would like to talk with you about magnetism, to explain how the magnet works and to do some practical exercises making this magnetic toy. I hope you will enjoy.
Let's start our adventure with magnets. At the beginning, I would like you to think about word magnet. What do you think is a magnet? Have you ever seen or used it? My first thought is a fridge magnet. Maybe you also have such magnets on your fridge. They have different shapes and sizes, and what is most unusual, they stick to the fridge and do not fall to the ground. We don't have to use glue to attach the magnet to the fridge. Amazing, right? If you don't have a magnet in your home, maybe you have seen it in cartoons, like here. But what is a magnet from the scientific point of view? A magnet is a piece of special metal that has unusual properties. It can pull certain types of metal towards itself. Each magnet, without exception, has two poles. Northern, marked with the letter N, and southern, marked with the letter S. These poles create field around the magnet. This field is invisible for human. We don't see these lines in real life, but these lines actually exist. Field actually exists, and we call this field magnetic field. A metal object that is in range of the magnetic field is attracted to the magnet. Now I have a small question for you. What happens if I cut such a magnet in half? For sure, one magnet will split into two magnets. But will one of them have only a southern pole and the other one only a northern one? No. As I said before, each magnet must have two poles, northern and southern. After cutting, we will get two smaller magnets. Now, I would like to tell you about magnetism. Magnetism is the strange, invisible force of attraction between certain materials. We have already seen an example where a magnet attracts metal objects. But what happens if we put two magnets next to each other? Each of them has its own magnetic field, so will both magnets attract each other? The answer is yes. They will attract each other, but not always. If we set the magnets facing the same poles toward each other, for example, north to north, then the magnets will start repel each other. Repel means push away. However, if the magnets are facing different poles toward each other, then the magnets will pull toward one another. We have different types of magnets. We have already seen this one so far. This is called a horseshoe magnet, and this one here is a bar magnet. But these are not the only types of magnets. Let's look at this magnet. It looks like a rock, but as we can see, it has a magnetic properties. It attracts metal. This is a natural magnet, naturally magnetized piece of mineral magnetit. That's how magnetism was discovered over 2000 years ago. However, most magnets were created by people. Magnets can have different shapes. We have bar magnet, cylindrical, U-shaped, horseshoe, circular, and ring magnets. Let's take a look at the ring magnet, because that's what we are going to use today. As you can see, this magnet also has two poles. The top of the ring is North Pole and the bottom is South. Look at that! Today, we have already seen a magnet with this shape. Do you recognize it? It's a bar magnet. Now you can see that the ring magnet consists of many bar magnets. So that's why half of the ring is North Pole and the other half is South. Now we know a lot about magnets. So it's time to move on to practical part. That's how we make the magnetic toy. As you can see, the fan is spinning. We can make it spin in any position, even upside down. Even a small force, such a push, causes the fan to spin. How is it possible that the fan is holding up and it does not fall to the ground? Let's take a closer look at the construction of the toy. Its most important part are magnets. These two magnets attract each other. Why is this happening? What the human eye sees are 4 ring magnets, 2 larger and 2 smaller. But from the scientific point of view, it looks like this. Each magnet has north and south pole. 2 large magnets are joined together into 1 large ring. Same with small magnets. Small magnets stick to the large ones because they attract with the different poles. The blue pole of the small magnet sticks to the red pole of the large magnet. Now we'll see this in practice. Magnets attract each other, and thanks to the fact that they are round, they can rotate. Let's get back to our scientific magnets. We will try to rotate one of them. Look, they repel each other. Now the magnets are set towards same poles. They both have a red northern pole on the top. In this position they repel, and in the previous one, here, they attract each other. See, attraction, rotation, repulsion, rotation, and attraction again. That's all for today. I invite you to my lessons at the museum, which will probably start on May 23rd. I hope you enjoy my video. See you in the museum. Bye!